Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet a wavy shell stitch border edging for blankets, scarves, shawls, and more. It's a multiple of 4 stitches along one edge, so you can have 16 stitches, 20, 40, 80, etc. If you want to go around the entire blanket, add 1 more stitch to each corner. I like to make a single crochet border first around the blanket, ensuring that each corner has 1 extra stitch in it. For this sample, I'm using worsted weight yarn and a size G hook. To begin, chain 3. That counts as 1 double crochet. Next, make 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. Then, chain 4. Hold the initial chain 3 like this, and make a slip stitch on top of it. This forms a ring. Chain 1. Next, make 7 double crochet stitches in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. As we begin the second shell, this one will be repeated throughout the edging. Over the next 4 stitches, make 1 double crochet in each. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 4. Reach towards the back. This time we're going to enter our hook inside the 7 double crochet ring and come right out next to it. Then make a slip stitch. Next, chain 1 and make 7 double crochet stitches in that ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And over the next 4 stitches, make 1 double crochet in each. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see what this looks like now. To complete this third shell, chain 4. Push down the shell and slip stitch in the back like this. Chain 1. And do 7 double crochet stitches in that ring. And 7. Over the next 4 stitches, make 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Continue this across. When you get to the end, it's time to turn the corner. For the corners, just make 1 double crochet in that corner instead of the 4 double crochet stitches that we normally do. Then chain 4 as we did before, and slip stitch as before. Chain 1 and do the 7 double crochet stitches all in the ring as we did before. Now, along this new side, make 1 double crochet stitch in each of the next 4 stitches, as we did on the first side. So, for the rest of this second side, just do what we did for the first side. You can see what the sides and corner look like. And that's how I crochet the Wavy Shell Stitch border edging.